Hi guys. In today's video, I'll discuss the differences between Notion and Asana. Do watch the video till the end to know the final verdict on which is better. Let's start with the differences. So, the main difference between them is their information infrastructure. Notion's information infrastructure is suitable for collaboration and project management. It has categorized and created tiered pages for search, linking from page to page and internal documentation. Furthermore, it has a customizable layout with robust features for organizing and managing content to create unique project management databases. On the other hand, Asana integrates with customer relationship management or CRM and creative suite platforms that link external documentation within various databases. Its databases have unlimited data management properties, making it easier for beginner users to adapt. Therefore, Asana's information infrastructure is more extensive. Now let's talk about their pricing. Notion and Asana have different pricing plans. For instance, Notion offers a free subscription with an option to upgrade to a paid plan for personal, pro, team, or enterprise. It enables invites of up to 10 guests and a 7-day or a week's page history. Its cheapest paid plan starts at $8 a month, with invites of up to 100 guests and a month's page history. Its payment plan is billed annually. On the other hand, Asana has a variety of pricing models, including personal, starter, and advanced. Its free subscription benefits teams, starting project management, and unlimited file storage of up to 100 MB per file. Furthermore, it allows invites of up to 15 guests. Its paid plan starts at $10.99 a month. Therefore, Asana is the cheapest option with a bonus file storage space. Now let's talk about their ease of use. The Notion is beginner-friendly, with a learning curve enabling users to navigate from scratch with a blank page. It has extensive task management tools for users to browse and use, like project tracking, project reviews, and Kanban boards. Its pages have blocks covering tasks and displays, which enables you to organize and use templates by simply dragging and dropping them. On the other hand, Asana is suitable for veterans and professionals. It requires skill and time to discover its rich functionalities. However, it has a simple interface that's easy to use. It requires you to enter personal data for each project stored in the cloud. Therefore, Notion has a more versatile ease of use. But do they have any similarities? Yes, Notion and Asana offer customer support, including phone support, email, and live chat. Furthermore, their support is 24/7. To sum up, which is better, Notion or Asana? I love Notion's outstanding workspace and collaboration tools, such as Microsoft Word and Google Docs, which enabled me to invite members to collaborate. On the other hand, I love Asana automation, which enabled me to set custom rules when routing tasks and assigning steps to my team members. I therefore choose Asana as the winner because of its convenience and reliability. And that's it for this comparison. If you liked the video, do make sure to give this a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks.